Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the Lamborghini video a lot. Today we are back with the G63 again. After Urus, I think this is my favorite car. It has such macho feeling to it. What do I mean by macho feel? Is having a lot of power at your disposal, being loud and yet being old and modest. You guys might think like in which way G-Class is modest, but to someone who doesn't know much about cars, for them this car looks very modest. It looks rugged, it looks simple, but then all the power and all the noise and all the chaos this car is, that's the description of macho-ness according to me. So today I'm going to show you how it is to drive in the traffic. I'll give out another video where I'll drive this beast in on the highways. I'll show you how it sounds while we are speeding, but today I just want to show you how it feels to drive it in the city. See, that guy has come out of nowhere. Just to take a left, he has come all the way into this lane. It's too tricky to drive in this city. And to all those who were fighting for fighting that who's right and who's wrong in the previous G63 video, welcome to India. This is how it is here. If you talk about rules and all, you can't get from place A to B. So all the foreigners who've been like right of way and blah 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 blah, here you see who can try and get into the gap is the one who's traveling forward. Otherwise you'll just sit on the corner. Nobody's going to wait for you, or nobody is going to give the way for you. And for all those who've been asking me to give some advices on the business side, I'm not that big. I've not done much yet, so I'm not the right person for you guys to expect some what do you call, business suggestions or business tips from me. So all that I can say, don't take this as a tip, but just take it as some advice. Anybody who's young, anybody who's in the college and aspires to be big, start with trying to sell something to somebody. Always learn to sell. You might ask, how do I sell? You can just start with finding out your local marketing people and work under them. Work like an intern under them. I mean, like, if at all they're trying to sell a plot, if at all they're trying to sell a flat, you try to work under them. At least on the weekends, you go sit with them, see how they are trying to sell, observe what all the questions the purchaser is asking. Not only in the real estate, there are many people who sell so many things to us on day-to-day basis. Just try to get in touch with those guys who are already in the field and doing that selling. So my advice is to always start by learning to sell something to somebody. Unknowingly, our brain transforms. We get to answer the questions, we get to talk confidently, we get to confuse the other person. So these are the skills that college or books won't teach us. Only when you talk with the other person and you try to sell something, you get these skills. So that is my first advice. Always learn to try to sell something to others. I think that's 50% of the success already. Yes, let's see the turning radius of this car. Almost 3 lanes. Yes, let's push it. Ooh. I don't know how much of the sound the phone is able to, the GoPro is able to catch, but it sounds brilliant out here. Let me down the window. Pure V8 Crown. Love this car. This is what I'm talking about. On these highways, you don't get to experience this kind of madness. It's all like accelerating to a point and then being calm. But here it's braking, accelerating, braking again. Brilliant. Hope you guys enjoyed this bit. Few cars give us that happiness. G-Class is one of them. So many people question the price. Oh god. So many people question the price of this. They ask why this car is so expensive. But once they get to drive this car, I can assure them they feel like it's worth every penny. Because it's just mad. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, that engine roar. So this car doesn't really make any sense. It's not that comfortable. It's not practical. I mean, like, if you say practical, it has 4 doors, it is a 5-seater and it has a boot. If you say that's practical, no. When you shell out this amount, you need the car to be comfortable. In that sense, this is not comfortable. It's harsh. But the beauty is in its imperfections. It doesn't make sense, but when you drive, it makes you happy. That is what a bad car or a mad car is. So on any part of road, you can just enjoy this car like anything. So there are individual suspension settings here, engine settings here. You have your comfort, your sport, and sports plus here. In sports plus, the engine gets instantly very responsive. It's too powerful. Whoa, 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 whoa. So it's a crazy car. I just love this. I've seen G-Class turn into electric recently. I don't know how fun that car is, because this car is fun because of that engine, because of that sound, because of that madness. I don't know what this car would be subtracting that sound. Might be not that bad, might not be that good. Only time will answer when I get my hands on that car in the future. Traffic again. So this is it for today. Let's call it off. I'll try to take this hill and show you how effortless this car is, and after that I'm done. To all those guys who have waited until the last, so this is the bit where I'm going to show how effortless this car is. These are the revs, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to cross anything more than 2000 RPM and yet I get there. This is pretty steep. So effortless. Yes, not even 1500 RPM, and away it goes. Okay guys, so that is it. See you again.